so far that's what we found. We're gonna make this car go completely back to factory. We're gonna wire it back to factory and start over on this process, because this is pretty fucked up.
Wow, look at this guy. Look at the amps back there. They look nice. We don't have the audio on them. We don't have the microphone, so sorry guys about the audio. Messing up right now, huh? But the pictures are fucking badass. Is that for the clean wire management or what? You know, Mobile Solutions sells a kit. Oh no, not Mobile Solutions. Kingpin.
Kingpin sells what?
They sell this things where they make those holes for you.
Yeah.
Perfectly spaced. But that thing's like $100. The other one's like $10.
This is what?
$100.
Bro, that whole set is $18.
Never mind then. Go ahead and handle it. But it makes all the gaps for all the holes perfect.
There's a ruler for that.
Yeah, but so you don't have to.
Okay, I have my CNC for that.
Okay. Maybe you don't need it then, bro. Look at this, man. So, got the install. Look at that install, baby. Look at that install, baby. I like it. Alright, so we just got a piece out of the laser. Let's see how it fits. This is Sparta! Come on now. Come on now. Why'd you make it a circle? Oh, because the Audi logo's a circle?
So this is the dash right here. Look.
Where?
Huh?
Where?
So it's gonna be black, just like the dash.
Oh.
This is what I put over there on the bottom. And then the whole emblem that trim that I'm gonna use, we're gonna use this trim. We're gonna copy it and we're gonna transfer it to the trunk. I ordered the wood. So we'll be getting the wood soon so we could add it in the trunk. I ordered the suede, guys. The suede is gonna be in the back. Off the Terra, sorry. This is gonna be suede. Or off the Terra. This is gonna be off the Terra. And then the rest is gonna be black vinyl with carpet. The carpet's gonna be this. So it could all blend in together with the trunk. That's where the front grill's gonna be.
She go.
We're not displaying product.
Oh, you're making all the noise. We might as well come see what you're doing.
No, güey, porque van a decir, no mames, tienen ejes, tienen CNC, no tienen una pinche mesa del roller table.
Not yet.
Do it, bro.
People know it's to be
Show the
continued.
steps. Show the steps. Show the steps of how we're growing.
Yeah.
The shop down the street wish they had this table.
Wow. I left yesterday. There wasn't that much done. And look at him. Look at him go, boss. Take it easy.
What's up, mijo? Man, you got your pants on today?
No, pants are sweats. That's an expensive tool, man. So I don't know if I was recording, but what's up, Jack? Take two. So Jack's here, about to do the tune. Junior's in there, getting that going.
How many DSP softwares does this laptop have? How many uploads of the
W7 though.
How are you gonna have negative 7.5 and 3.5 on these? I don't wanna be like, the tuner blew it. I ain't even gonna touch this until you tell him that his tweeter.
No, we told him already.
I can hear the tweeter popping, crackling. That tweeter is either blown or it's about to go up because they tuned it wrong.
Okay, we gotta tell him that. Tell him that. That's why it says I can't tune it.
That's why the system shit up.
Remember, we're like, hey, these guys had it connected direct. After looking at everything and hearing some weird noises, tweeter was blown. But we had that assumption the day we did the install. We just tried to fix it by lowering the bass off of a tweeter, but
Get your stuff installed and tuned by a professional.
what they say, they were professional. Anyways, so allegedly. So because the tweeter is bad and he bought a kit off the streets from like, I don't know where, he had to buy a new set. So it's not bad though, because what we're gonna do is take the mid basses from this kit and put them in the rear doors, and then the tweeters are gonna go on the dash. So it works out.
By the time we get like
There's Junior doing it right now.
secondhand smoke inhalation of marijuana.
Oh, because his car on. Look at his door. Look at the door. So those are our gummies in there. Like what you want? You're gonna get faded?
This is coronavirus.
It does say that. Look at oh shit. That's what it was, right? Mm-hmm. This is what they took out of the dash. Okay, guys. Your mic on. Yeah. Look what they took out of the dash. Okay. They used the K2 pods, and then they made these little. Did they make these?
No. They cut them out of something. I don't know what.
They probably used the factory mounting bracket for the original tweeter and cut
They
it.
didn't cut it.
No? Well, they got these from somewhere. And, yeah. Show them what you're doing, boy. Laying down the plastic, huh?
A huevo.
Man, can we go to work? Can you put audio systems on it or no? Now we don't have time for that. Damn, look at that. That's cutting right there. Oh, that looks cool. All right, since there's a lot of smoke, go ahead and close it. bracket. Okay? So go ahead and do its thing. It's gonna cut 2 brackets for the right. So there you go. Junior's now putting in these K2s. Hopefully you put more screws in there because when we took it off there was only 2. All right, all right. Junior's done. After we're done, no tune. All right, now that the car is done, you got to hear a little bit better. It sounds a lot better, I believe so.
Guys, my favorite part is to actually put everything together and see the outcome. That it just gets me excited.
What you think? Wood grain to match your doors.
Yeah.
We got this matches the seats.
Yeah.
This is the acrylic matching all your dash. Same thing on the top. Got the dash matching.
Great.
That's Alcantara, like just like yours.
Yeah.
And then the front. Right now he's just putting the woofer in. That's the backside what it looks like. Just fresh and clean, simple. And then the sound, bro. When you hear the sound right now, what do you think? This matches your car.
It looks just like the fucking like it's supposed to be.
This matches like you have a car that's expensive. This looks like it belongs to
Yeah,
him.
sure.
Fuck yeah. Well, people are gonna drop.
People see that shit, they're gonna be like, "Well, that shit hard."
Take it to the dealership. They're like, "Did that come like that?"
Oh, look at that. The doors open. That shit look crazy.
It matches perfectly, right? All right, people. I'm in the car. We're gonna give you guys an audio listen. Everything's fixed. Even look, we even got the subwoofer to activate. So like no sub. No sub. Sounds way better. There you go. That's another music I could play because everything else gets copyrighted. But yeah. All right, ladies and gents, that is the end of the Audi episode. Sounds amazing. I'm happy with it. Customer's happy with it. Can't ever go wrong when you come to audio systems. Comment, like, subscribe. Like I said, it helps the channel. And you know, we've been getting a lot more views lately, so I appreciate you guys.